I learned that when you show people that you're into your community and stuff like that, they're very more open to what information you have to tell them, as well as what change you're trying to make in the community.
So what I noticed when I was giving out the food is that I put a smile on a lot of people's faces. They opened the door and like was really skeptical about why I was there until I started talking, and I feel like I noticed that I made their day.
Pretty much what I learned from my experience of today is, people aren't as hostile as they like to make them seem. So I think you can't be scared to get in and knock on people's door.
What I learned today is like, we all we got. Like, our black community is all we got.
Feed Philly now! Feed Philly now! When I say eco, you say center! Eco! Center. Eco! Center. When I say eco, you say center! Eco! Center! Oh.